Shopping smart can seem like a difficult task when it comes to grocery shopping. Now more than ever, we're seeing the prices of some of our most basic items increase. Hi, I'm Liz Matheny with West Virginia University Extension, and today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to be more financially savvy at the grocery store. One of the easiest things you can do before going to the grocery store is be prepared. Make a list. I keep my list right on the refrigerator. I add items as I go along, items I may be out of or items I may be out of soon. There's nothing worse than getting home from the grocery store and realizing you forgot the milk and the eggs. Take this one step further by meal prepping. Now, meal prepping may seem a little intimidating at first, but in the long run, it's going to save you time, energy, and stress on those busy evenings. Meal prepping allows you to identify every item that you need for your meals during the week. This will keep you from purchasing things you do not need. Now that you have your list, you're ready to go to the grocery store. And while you're there, check out those store brand items. Store brand items can save you money in the long run. It's a simple and easy way to just save money. Store brand item quality is just as good as the name brand. And this is a good way to try and break that name brand cycle. Store brands are the easiest way to save money at the grocery store. But you also want to look at those price per unit. Price per unit is located on the price tag of every item. Now, the initial price that you see may be lower on one item than another, but if you look closer at the price per unit, you can see how much you're paying per roll of toilet paper or paper plate, even pound of beef or chicken. Looking at the price per item can show you what you're really getting. It might be less at first glance, but you could be getting less product. If you're like me, you love buying in bulk, but it only makes sense to buy in bulk for items you know you can use before they go bad or expire. Paper goods are a perfect example. Shelf-stable items like rice and pasta are a good idea as well. Buying bulk and fresh fruits and vegetables only makes sense if you have a large family. You don't want more waste. And wasting your food isn't saving you money, although it may be good for your compost. We used to say that clipping those coupons was a way to go to save money. Now, most of those coupons are right in the palm of your hand. Downloading apps for certain stores can give you coupons and notifications for items that you purchase all the time. Doing this can save you money. If you're lucky enough to live in a community that has multiple grocery stores, you can shop around, going store to store, getting the items that you need at the lowest price. It's also good to check if a store honors price matching. This might save you a little time on the road, and you can get that better price for the items that you need. Another thing you may consider is doing your grocery shopping online and picking up. I like to use this method because I am an impulse shopper. Ordering my groceries online, my basic items that I use every day and purchase over and over again, is a good way to go. It keeps me from grabbing that candy bar or that pop on the way out. It also keeps me away from those good deals that really aren't good deals. Shopping online could be an option for you. You have to weigh the pros and the cons. You will also want to consider your environment. Environment impacts everything that we do. From impulse buying to our basic grocery decisions, the environment of the grocery store does matter. Try to go during a time when it isn't quite so busy. Busy grocery stores can increase stress and really impact that decision making. If you're lucky, try to go alone. Distracted grocery shopping leads to impulse buying and just wanting to rush out of the grocery store. You might miss the items you need, and you might miss that sale item that you had your eye on. Grocery shopping environment is an absolute easy way to impact and help you save money. Another way to make your grocery experience a little more productive and less of an impulse is to never grocery shop when you're hungry. This is a fast way to end up with items you don't have in your budget just because you want that quick sugary fix. For more tips and tricks on how to be more financially savvy in the grocery store, contact your local extension office.